let me connect Sushma from Goa. So Dr. Sushma is here with us. Wow.
Good
Great to see you,
evening.
Dr. Sushma. Good evening. How are
Good
you?
evening. I'm
Namaskar. Good
fine, thank
evening.
you.
You are sharing something in the chat box now, so I think it's better you share with everyone.
Yeah. See, actually, I have so many things to tell. My consistency has improved a lot, and my time management has improved a lot. And मुझे पढ़ने के लिए उतना टाइम नहीं मिलता था, but now I'm reading books. So वो था. And what I wanted to tell was October after the Miracle Challenge, like before the Miracle Challenge, there were my son was doing his first construction project. You know, he's taken up construction. So उसमें बहुत बाधे आ रहे थे because from July he had we had got the licenses and certain papers were with the officer, but he was not doing anything. So in
Okay.
October, once we started our challenge, I was just saying that if I am doing the right thing, that something should happen. I mean, something good should happen. So kya hua? In just before we finished our miracle challenge, that person got transferred.
Wow.
And yeah, and Joe Aya within a week, because everything was ready. So within a week, he gave that last license for him to start the project. So for Vijay Dashmi, we did that Bhumi Pujan, and December he started his project. Now,
Wow.
while doing the project itself, we got somebody else suggested that there was another better site for him to do his second project. तो हम सोच रहे थे अरे बाबा फाइनेंसेस कहाँ से लेके आएंगे बिकॉज द लोन्स ऑल्सो वी हैड टेकन फॉर सर्टन थिंग्स सो नाउ जस्ट यस्टरडे लास्ट इवनिंग अभी एक बैंक ने पूरा मतलब जो चाहिए था वो साइट के लिए वो दे हैव एग्रीड टू गिव
Wow.
so it just happened so and from January, like Aperauji said, I am just feeling happy all the time in the sense there's nothing which is worrying me. Okay. I for no reason at all, like, you know, and then my reaction is less than my, no, my responses have increased more. My reactivity is less. Like, you know, I used to
Wow.
react and all that. That has come down. And 27th of February, I got your audio videos of meditation and Hoponopono.
Wow. Wow.
And
Great.
for January, you had told us to do Hoponopono for
Hmm.
108 times, okay?
Hmm.
During the Miracle Challenge. I was doing it. I was doing my meditation also. But from 27th, 28th rather, after I got the videos, when it was in your voice, when I'm doing, I have found that it has got more effect than what I used to do it on
I
my
know.
own. So it is totally different, this Hoponopono and this. And because of this graphology and all, I have improved my. I've been focused on what I write, especially my T, my I, all these things, and the spacing between the vertical lines. The other things were okay. My vertical lines, I think that's why my daily tasks were, that time management. So these are the things I have seen from October
Wow.
onwards, and it is improving because I'm still working on myself. So I feel, and I have been very consistent with my yoga. So I've lost my weight also.
Yes, yes, yes. We have seen you in MSR.
Yeah.
Are you coming
So
again in MSR?
of course, of course.
Wow.
That time itself, I
Glad to have
booked my
you.
ticket.
Always, it's a pleasure to have you in MSR.
Thank you. Thank you
And
very
are you
much.
love overall? If you consider, are you loving your diamond experience?
Of course, of course, of course. Because when I came to MSR, the vibe I got from other members, Diamond community members, and the 3 days I spent there, it was totally different. So I didn't
Wow.
want to miss it. Whatever it is, I've said that 12, 13, 14 June, I'm not here. So,
Great, great,
so
great to
yeah.
hear from you. Great to hear from you. Lots of blessings, lots of love for
Thank
everyone.
you.
She
Thank you.
has achieved many things in diamond. So love to hear that. What kind of depth have you felt in the meditations that you are doing? आप मेडिटेशन में इजीली चले जाते हो?
Yes.
Totally
Yeah,
involved? Yes.
exact. Yeah, yeah. And sometimes
Sometimes I have
the
to take your name
experience.
even. You are in meditative mode, and sometimes I have to take your name. Sushma, we are
Yeah, yeah.
back. Yeah.
Because sometimes the experience is totally different. I mean, I can't believe after that you feel totally different. I can't express it.
Out of the body
And
experience. You
yeah,
have
yeah,
you felt that out of the body that we
yeah,
do?
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that was only, I think, twice or something like that.
Two times,
But
yeah.
otherwise, yeah. Otherwise, I am there. It's totally like, I go off by the time you start telling me. So that is there.
Wow. Love to hear that. So lots of love, lots of blessings again. Thank you so
Okay,
much
thank
for
you.
being
Thank you.
here,
Thank
for
you.
the integral
Thank,
part of this community. Thank you.
thank you.